Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine, will be well. Almighty keep you all happy and keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet blouses designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can show very beautiful and amazing design show to your pupil in the life in the like today videos, and share it with you friends and family members. You can many videos from my video very helpful and useful for you guys. I keep you sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let in the comment box how like will subscribe you want to videos related to crochet. Visit my channel Crochet Lovers. Now did to the work yourself, and if you guys too, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs. For this type of designs is very popular in the country, and girls love such videos. Amazing very videos has a lovely designs for you. Don't miss my every videos. So friend, today share with you the some different designs I keep with you in all the kind of crochet related designs. I am very happy that you like my videos and leave good comments. Please let me in no comment in the comment box. So much thanks my dear, take care, bye.